Alright guys, welcome to the Rustic Cook. I'm Rory, your host, and over here we got Emily.
Hello.
And so Emily, I was told that spicy is one of your thing.
I can do spice, I think. I
Yeah.
think I can do this.
Have you ever done a one chip challenge before?
No, I haven't. So I don't know what I'm in store for. It'll be fun though.
What's the hottest thing you've ever had before?
I can't think of the hottest thing right now, but I grow ghost peppers in my backyard. Like this summer I had ghost peppers. So I cooked with those and like ate with those. So I think I'll be okay with maybe this. We'll see. Carolina Reaper and stuff. We'll see.
Alright, wow, you're braver than me because I'm not gonna lie to you. I would say like even Frank's Red Hot.
Oh,
I mean, it's not that hot, but when it comes to the washroom, that's where I have the issue. So you're a lot braver than me. So we'll see how that go. I think they said like 2 million Scoville on it. So hats off to you. Good luck. And here's the thing. For me, it's really 1 minute after you swallow it. I heard that you have a personal.
I want to try 5 minutes.
You want to try 5 minutes?
5 minutes at least.
And why 5 minutes?
I saw Tony Hawk do it, so.
Okay, so you're a fan of Tony Hawk?
Yeah. I like
All right, guys, you hear that? All right, so you want to open it up and show our viewers what it looks like?
This is more of a challenge than actually. Oh, okay.
Oh, it looks like a little coffin.
Here we go. Okay. Here it is. All
All right, I'll hold that. Yeah. How are you feeling right now?
Pretty good.
Not nervous?
No, I think I can handle it.
Mm,
Oh, it's broken. I'll have
no
to.
worries. What did it look like? You want to hold that up so we can see it? Oh, look at that.
Don't worry. I found it. I'm just gonna shove it all in.
All right. You can just put the bag here.
Mm.
All right. You swallow it?
It's not the best flavor, but I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah. And now we just wait.
Oh, we just wait for the 1 minute to be up and you win. But like you said, you got your own personal record, right?
I feel bad if I don't put a show on. Oh my god.
Oh, no. I mean, we hear what. If anything, this will actually get other guys to actually want to do it. Because if you can pull it off,
There you
then,
go.
you know what I mean?
Guys, it's not that hard, but wait a second because it's kicking in.
From 1 through 10, what would you rate it right now?
A 5.
Oh, that was quick.
I could do more. My eyes are starting to water though, so we'll see.
Well, at least you don't need the Kleenex yet.
Not yet. Oh, I got a little chip in my throat there.
Is it still at a 5 right now?
Maybe we're getting to a 6.
Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there.
Like medium, and then describe because I feel like it's gonna get hotter and hotter as I wait it out.
I'm not gonna lie, you're doing a lot better than what I've seen online.
It's not too bad. I thought I was gonna die, but I'm okay.
Well, I mean, if you've had Carolina Reaper, then I think this is nothing for you.
No, yeah, this isn't too bad. I don't know why everyone's so worried about it. It's not that bad.
Well, I think it's because of what they see online, especially in America, where people are like, either throwing up or, just.
Like it's not something you do every day, but like if you're gonna try it and see how you do. I think you'll be okay.
I think you're doing good, man.
Yeah, like my nose is starting to run, but I think I'm okay.
I don't know, guys. I think she's kicking everyone's ass that I've seen online. She passed the 1 minute. Oh, you gone 1.5 minutes already? You say you're trying to do 5 minutes?
5 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can do it.
You hear that, guys? For all you pussies out there, it's a female here. She's gone 1.5 minutes. She's going to 5 minutes. All right. There's guys out there. I could call your name, but I don't want to say it. Next week, it's your turn.
Yeah, it's your turn. I'm watching all of you on YouTube for it.
You say you're calling them out?
I'm calling you guys out.
Come on, you got a female beating you guys. Like, look at this. 2 minutes right there.
Don't be a pansy.
So 1 to 5, what would you rate it now?
I think I went back down to a 5.
Holy, she's a trooper.
Like like that little like spike, and then like the more you talk, the more the spice kind of like comes out again. If that makes sense, like it makes it spicier again when I talk.
Okay.
Maybe the saliva, but other than that, like it's pretty good.
You're good. Oh, she's doing good, man.
Halfway there. Yay.
Guys, I'm saying she kicking ass right now because from what I see online, people are rolling over, throwing up, crying. You can't even speak properly. You're doing good.
Thank you.
Right,
I thought I'd do good.
I think this is what's gonna, bring out some more guys to try and actually do it.
I hope so. It takes a girl to show the guys how you do it.
That's what I'm saying. I think the one person I can actually think right off the top of my head, Dylan. You know, I think you should call him out.
Dylan is a pussy.
You hear that, guys? She's saying Dylan's a pussy. And Dylan's, you know, he's a man's man. But when it comes to this one chip challenge, I don't know.
He is the manliest of men, so I'm a little disappointed in him.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, look at you. You're handling it good, man. As if you didn't even had anything.
Yeah. Now, like, I'm fine. I could probably go 10 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever it is.
Guys, you hear that? 10 minutes.
No, I'm not having another one. Oh my god. Then I'll go to the hospital.
Oh, you think if you have another one, you go to hospital?
No. But I'd probably be, like, crying.
So you say you want to try another one?
Oh my god, you have another one? No,
Yeah.
no.
No? You want to...
I just want to see if I can look at, like, as long as... No, I'm not doing 5 minutes and going again.
Well, here what? You're already beating the record that's obviously here, and you have your own record. So if you don't mind, just, you know, open that out and just
Oh, yay!
put it there
Thank
so they
you.
can see that, you know? She slayed it.
Oh, there. It says 1 minute, harmless. 10 minutes is a slitherer. 30 minutes is venomous. And then 1 hour is an apex predator.
And tingling still?
I'm tingling.
But you say it's dropped below, it's gone back down?
Still, yeah, like a 5. It still stays with you, so.
So obviously you don't need the milk.
No, I don't think I need the milk. I'm
Yeah.
okay.
You didn't need to drink the milk. Dylan, 4.5? 4.5, guys, and she's doing good. Couldn't even tell she had the one chip. Anything to say?
Just everyone try to do something that puts you out of your comfort zone. Not too much if it's unsafe for you, but try something.
That's what I'm saying. Dylan, she's calling you out. Alright, guys. This one's for you guys, all the men out there, especially in Canada. Come try the one chip challenge. You see right here. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alright, so I brought some for you. Here you go, my dear.
Thank you. So
No problem. Open it up. Check it out. Now, this is for only the people who actually
Thank you.
enter the competition.
Oh, cool! I got a one chip challenge cup. Thank you so much. Yay!
No problem. And then if you twirl it around, you'll see my logo right there, the Rustic Cook,
Oh, cool. I
Yeah.
didn't use that here.
barcode and all that. So swirl it back around and show them and say, listen, guys, this could be for you. You could give it to your girlfriend, Dylan.
Yeah.
You know, so guys, hit me up, slide in DM, pause, and you know, let me know who wants to do the one chip challenge. I'm here in Newmarket, Ontario, and if she killed it, no problem. I'm sure you guys can. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Bye.
Take care.